Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, famous food from famous countries part 6. Homemade Hyderabad Mutton Biryani with cashews, nuts, and parsley sprinkle, delicious and nutrient-rich. Homemade Hyderabad Mutton Biryani with cashews, nuts, and parsley sprinkle offers a delectable fusion of flavors and health benefits. Rich in protein from mutton, healthy fats from nuts, and a nutrient boost from parsley, this dish provides a balanced and nourishing culinary experience, promoting overall well-being and satisfaction. We'll be adding a delightful mix of cashews, nuts, and a parsley sprinkle for that extra burst of flavor and nutrition. So, started. Biryani ingredients: basmati rice, 2 cups. Mutton, goat meat, 500 grams, cut into pieces. Cooking oil, 1/4 cup. Onion, 2 large, thinly sliced. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Yogurt, ½ cup. Biryani masala, 2 tablespoons. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Cashews, ½ cup, roasted. Mixed nuts, almonds, pistachios, 1/4 cup, chopped. Fresh parsley, 1/4 cup, finely chopped. Ghee, 2 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Preparation: Step 1. Marination in a bowl. Mix mutton pieces with yogurt, biryani masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour. Step 2. Rice preparation. Cook the basmati rice until it's 70% done. Step 3. Fry onions in a separate pan. Heat cooking oil and fry thinly sliced onions until golden brown. Step 4. Cooking mutton in the same pan. Add ginger garlic paste and sauté until fragrant. Add marinated mutton and cook until it's browned. Step 5. Layering in a heavy bottomed pot. Layer half of the partially cooked rice, followed by the cooked mutton, roasted cashews, chopped mixed nuts, ghee, and chopped parsley. Step 6. Dum cooking. Cover the pot tightly with foil or a lid, and cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the rice to cook completely. Step 7. Garnish. Garnish the biryani with the reserved fried onions, chopped parsley, and a few more roasted cashews. There you have it, our homemade Hyderabad Mutton Biryani with cashews, nuts, and parsley sprinkle. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Here are some potential benefits associated with Hyderabad Mutton Biryani with cashews, nuts, and mixed parsley sprinkle. First benefit: protein powerhouse. Mutton is a rich source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. Second benefit: healthy fats from nuts. Cashews, almonds, and pistachios provide healthy fats that contribute to heart health and satiety. They also offer essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids. Third benefit: nutrient-dense ingredients. The inclusion of nuts and parsley adds a variety of vitamins and minerals to the dish. Nuts, in particular, are packed with nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E. Fourth benefit: digestive aid. Certain spices commonly used in biryani, such as ginger and garlic, can aid digestion and may have anti-inflammatory properties. Fifth benefit: complex carbohydrates. Basmati rice, a staple in biryani, provides complex carbohydrates that offer a sustained release of energy, keeping you fuller for longer. Sixth benefit: antioxidant boost. The combination of spices like turmeric and the freshness of parsley contribute to the antioxidant content of the dish, potentially providing anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting benefits. Seventh benefit: balanced flavor profile. The careful combination of spices, nuts, and parsley not only enhances the taste but also contributes to a well-balanced flavor profile, making the dish a delightful experience. Eighth benefit: visual appeal and texture. The addition of roasted cashews, chopped nuts, and a parsley sprinkle not only adds a visual appeal but also introduces various textures, creating a more interesting and satisfying eating experience. Ninth benefit: cultural and social connection. Sharing a delicious biryani with loved ones fosters social connections and brings people together, contributing to overall well-being. 10th benefit: mental health benefits. Enjoying a well-prepared and flavorful dish can contribute to positive emotions and mental well-being, creating a sense of comfort and satisfaction. It's important to note that while these potential benefits are associated with the individual ingredients, the overall health impact of a dish depends on various factors, including portion size, overall diet, and individual health conditions. Always consider personal dietary needs and consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist if needed. A dish that not only satisfies your cravings but also adds a nutritious touch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more culinary adventures. Happy cooking? Thank you very much, Hyderabad Mutton Biryani with cashews, nuts, and parsley sprinkle lovers.